Hey, welcome back. This is Nilesh Borate. Hopes you have to install the Python on your machine. Okay, so in this video we have to see that the data types available in Python and what are the numbers in the Python. Okay, so first we have to see that the data types. So see here, these are the some data types or the data structures which are available in the Python. So first column is that the name. Okay, next one is that the type, and these are the some descriptions or some examples. So first one is that the int means that the integer, so they indicate the whole numbers like the 3, 300, 200. Okay, then float, this is the floating point number including the decimal point like the 2.3, 4.6, 100.0. okay, next str means that the string, which is the order sequence of a characters. So they represent in a double quote and the single quote also. Okay, so in Python, single quote and double quote both are the string. Okay, next one is that the list, they are the order sequence of objects. Next, DICT means the dictionary, so they are the unordered key value pair. Okay, so this is the key and this is the value. So this is the one value, and then another is that the key value. Okay, means the every value represent the key value pair. Okay, see here, this is the values, so all of these values represent the position 0, 1, 2, but here instead of position they represent one key. So this is the key name, this is the value of that key. Okay, so this is the unordered key and this is the order sequence of object. Next one is that the TUP means the tuples. These are the order immutable sequence of objects. Immutable means that you cannot change the order of that sequence. Okay, so they represent in, this is round bracket. Okay, and here unordered key represent the curly bracket and order sequence represent the square bracket. So remember this thing that. Okay, next one is that the set, this is also unordered collection of unique objects. Next one is that the boolean, they represent the true or false. Okay, we have to explain the one by one on next upcoming video, so don't worry about that. So see you on next point. So next one is that the numbers. So generally there are the two kinds of numbers available in Python, integer and the floating point. Okay, integer which are the whole numbers and the floating point which are the numbers with the decimal point. Okay, so we have to go into program mode. So I will open the Jupyter. See here, on previous video we have to see that the print hello message, and this is the 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. Okay, and this is your the next input. Okay, so if you want to give the heading or the title of your program, then see here how to give the title. So going to this drop down box and click here the markdown. Okay, then type your the message, this is the number tutorial, and I can press the shift enter, this is the shortcut. Okay, see here number tutorial is the title of your the program. So we can see the one by one example. So first one is that the addition operator, so 5 plus 2. Okay, so you can press here the run button, or the one more shortcut is that the shift enter. Okay, so shift enter, see here output is that the 7. Next one is that the subtraction, so 5 minus 2, again shift enter, my subtraction is the 3. Okay, then 5 into 2, again I can press the shift enter. So star represent the multiplication operator, so 5 into 2 is the 10. Again 5 divided by 2. Okay, so guess what is the output? In C, C++ and the Java languages, the division of a two integer number is that the integer. Okay, but here in Python, if you can divide the two numbers, see here what is the output? I can press the shift enter, so my answer is that 2.5. This is the fractional value, means that the floating point value. Okay, but if 4 divided by 2, okay, I can press the shift enter, this is also the 2.0, means division answer is in floating point data type. Okay, but compared to C, C++, Java, if both numbers are in integer, then output also in integer. Okay, so this is one difference in Python. So next one is that the modulo division. See here 5 mod 2. So going to graphical mode, then you see that what is the answer. See here for the modulo division is that 5 mod 2 means that here 5 divided by the 2. Okay, so 2 2s are 4, so my remainder is the 1. So this is the modulo division answer. Okay, so my answer now printing the 1. Okay, see that. So I can press the shift enter, so my answer is the 1. Okay, now if you want the division of two number, answer is in the integer, then there is a one more new operator in a Python. So this operator name is that the floor division. See here, if I can use this operator, so double slash means that the floor division. Okay, floor, FLOOR, floor division. Then here I can use the shift enter. See here, my division is that the 2. But if you can use the simple division operator, then division is the 2.5. Okay, so depending on your requirement, use this operator. One more new operator is that the double asterisk sign. Asterisk sign means that the star sign. Okay, means that here if you can use the 5 star 2. Okay, I can use here the 1 asterisk sign and I can use the shift enter. So my answer is that the 10. So it is used to multiplication of two number. But you can use the double asterisk sign, then this is used to power of two numbers, means 5 raised to 2. So 5 raised to 2 means the square of a 5. So square of a 5 is that the 25. Okay, so this is the new operator in Python. So this operator is also used to finding the square root, means that here, see here, 4 star star 0.5 means that half. Okay, and if you can press the shift enter, this is the 2, means the square root of 4 is that the 2. See again, 16 star star 0.5, shift enter, 4.0. So 0.5 means that they indirectly represent the square root. Square root of 16 means that the 4. Square root of 4 is that the 2. Okay, so these are the basic numerics operator available in a Python. Okay, next we have to use the one expression. See here, what is that? 2 plus 10 then into 10 plus 3. Okay, so think about that, what is the result? Okay, so by using the left to right order, so first operator is that the plus, then star, then plus. Okay, so left to right order, so 2 plus 10 is that the 12, so 12 into 10 is that the 120, 120 plus 3 is that the 123. Okay, but see here the what is the answer? My answer is that the 105. So this calculation is done by using the mathematics operator priority. So by using the plus and the star, so star is the highest priority compared to plus. Okay, so first multiplication is performed, that is the 10 into 10 is that the 100. Okay, then 2 plus 100 is that the 102 and 10 plus 3 is that the 105. Okay, so remember this thing, that you can also use some parenthesis like this way, 2 plus 10 into again 10 plus 3. Okay, so see here, I can press the shift enter, then in that case by using the parenthesis operation will perform. So 2 plus 10 is that the 12, 12 into 13. So my answer is that the 156. Okay, so these are the basic operators used in a Python. So students, test this operator on your machine. Okay, so if you have any queries, then comment on your query in comment box, likes and subscribe this channel. See you on next video. Thank you.